You're watching your best friend, Crystal J. It's your girl, Crystal J, back here with another video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. It helps me out. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That helps you and that helps me out too. I don't need y'all to know when my videos are popping. So, we're going to get right into this video, y'all. Hope y'all ready. This is a Dear Crystal J, another segment. And this is about a close friend. And I'm not going to say this person's name. If you read the title, you know what it's about. So, this is to all my women. I really hope you guys are listening. What would my friend ask me? What did I do to get over a heartbreak? I was in love with somebody. I'm not going to say his person's name because I don't need him contacting me. I was in love with a certain person and I was heartbroken. And at the time, I thought that was love of my life. I couldn't live without them. All that woofy woof stuff. I thought I could live without that person. And I was so depressed and so sad about that situation, not knowing that wasn't a person for me. So then my friend asked me, and I told her I was asking this via YouTube, what I do to get over the heartbreak? Time heals all wounds. It was time that healed that particular wound. And of course, I was out there partying and I was getting drunk every day I had a chance to. I was out there doing some unspeakable things that we're not going to talk about on YouTube because, and I was trying to get over the hurt. I was doing any and everything to fill that void. And I was hurting. I didn't I didn't grasp that I just got dumped and embarrassed because my friends was right that he was a low down dirty dog, ain't gonna never meet nothing type of person. I didn't want to admit that at that time. So I was so depressed, drinking. Like this is when I became, as my family called me, an alcoholic. I used to drink every day. Oh my God. I hit the club 5 days a week. I was out there in them streets, honey. And let me tell you, to be honest, I enjoyed my 20s. But I would never tell nobody to do that because that's how I coped because I was young. Like, let's say, hypothetically speaking, I got my heart broke right now. I'll put my big girl panties on and I'll work on myself before I get in another relationship. And I would let time heal my wound. And in particular, friend, he's a deadbeat, number one. Number two, he ain't gonna never, mark my words, never amount to. Number three, he has several kids that he still don't take care of to this day, including yours. Number four, y'all was in. I hope I'm not spilling too much tea. I was engaged to be married. He left you for another woman. Then got that woman pregnant. Then told you your baby's not his. What else do you need to move on from that relationship? Is that that mean to be honest, you don't know your worth. If you knew your worth as a woman, you would step away. Look at the bigger picture. Focus on yourself because what God has for you is for you. That husband is somewhere. I tell you this all the time. That husband is somewhere near. He's watching you go through this heartbreak and he knows child not ready for me right now. She's not ready for me. So he's waiting for you while you try to figure out how can I move on from him. He ain't shit. What else do you need? And I personally can't stand men who only take care of a child when a baby mama got him. Like, I don't get that. And like I say, my advice to my friend, And any other woman, time heals all wounds. It may take a year, 2 years. Just because he moved on 2 months later, that happened to me. Or a month later, happened to her. It's okay. It's okay. Don't stalk them on social media. You're not helping yourself. Don't have your friend create a profile to follow them, not helping yourself. Don't have your friend follow them on social media so you can keep up. That's not helping your situation. It making you more depressed. How I know? I've been there. I have done that. I have followed my ex-boyfriend thing. I had my best friend follow her. To this day she said follow her. But I don't care about that situation no more. So I don't care about that person no more. It's it's you have to accept what you're going to allow in your life. Number one, accept accept what you're going to allow in your life. Now, if you want to allow the drama in your life, kudos to you, boo. I can't do it. It's accept what you want in your life. You want the drama in your life, kudos to you, boo. I can't do that. I want certain things in my life. I want positivity. Like 2017, I may leave some people behind because it's some people that don't need to go on the journey that I'm going. So, in order for you to get where you need to get to in life, you have to leave that baggage behind. See, this is what you need to do. Don't never look back, look forward. Don't never look back, look forward. And if you have to tell yourself every day, I'm beautiful, I'm strong, I'm a great mom, I'm this, I'm that. To leave that man or woman alone that's not good for you, that's toxic in your life, do it. Like I said, the things I did when I lost that love, I proclaim the love of my life. I would never tell anybody that advice because I was out there partying, drinking. Girl. I used to party 5 days a week. Monday, Tiger Groove. Tuesday, Peter Street. Wednesday, Blue Flame. Thursday, Opera. Or Friday, what I used to go on Friday? Boogaloo or Gold Room. Saturday, I lied 6 days a week. Saturday, Compound. And then when Velvet Room was popping, Velvet Room on Sunday. I lied 7 days a week. I was partying. Oh, and then did I forget Central Station? Mm, I used to love after the club. Central Station called 6 in the morning. You 8 in the morning. I can't remember. We used to leave the club and go to Central Station and get Mojo's toe up. Then we used to drive home. Like I would never recommend the things I did back then because I was going through a heartbreak and I was partying my life away because I need something to fill that void. If my advice to my friend and to anybody watching this video, you need something to fill your void. Find something that's gonna do something creative. Write a book. Do anything but what I did. Drink and lead to other things. Nah, I didn't leave. It didn't lead me to drugs. It didn't lead me to no nigga. Okay. Oh God. I gave that up. Before I found my boyfriend I have now that I'm blessed and thankful that I really need to work on treating him better. I was transitioning into being a woman versus being a little girl. Little girls party all the time. Grown women don't. Grown women stay at home, figure out their life, all that type of stuff. But y'all know that my videos being too long. But the moral of the story is work on yourself and watch what you allow into your life. And if it's not bringing something in your life and it's not positive, let it go. Now, if he say he loves you, don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Because at the end of the day, when y'all was engaged to be husband and wife, what did he do? What was his actions? His actions speak louder than words. And I didn't never understood that until I got older. But actions speak louder than words. So if his actions are showing you something totally different, and if he's not gonna take care of all of his kids, walk away. When you walk away, you're gonna feel so much better, girlfriend. But other than that, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media and all of that. But other than that, thank you for watching my video. Your next video will be up next Tuesday at 4 o'clock, like always. Thank you for watching my video. I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me and my journey. And mwah.